In this video, I'll show you what to do if the Instagram Plus option is not showing in your Instagram app. First, close Instagram completely. Then tap and hold the Instagram app icon and select App Info. Once you're on the App Info page, tap Force Stop and Confirm. Next, tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be preventing new features from appearing. After that, open the Play Store and search for Instagram. Check if there's an available update. If you see the Update button, install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Accounts Center. Check if the Instagram Plus option is now available. If you still don't see the feature, take a screenshot and report the issue to Instagram. To do this, go back to Settings in Instagram and scroll down to Help. Tap Report a Problem, then choose Report Problem. Attach the screenshot showing that the feature is missing, describe the issue, and tap Send. After reporting the problem, wait for Instagram to review it. In some cases, new features are rolled out gradually, and they may become available after a future app update. And that's how you can fix the Instagram Plus option not showing on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn